A very good morning, dear students. Standard 6th Biology, Chapter number 4, Human Digestive System, and topic is Digestion in Humans. Before starting this topic, we should know about the human body. As we know, we all are organisms and we all are organized from small structures that are known as cells. When all the cells combine together, they form tissues, and from the tissues organ is formed, and when all the organs combine together they form an organ system, and from the organ system an organism is organized. That organism is human body, and our human body consists of so many systems, organ systems like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, skeleton system, excretory system, nervous system, endocrine system, reproductive system. These are so many systems are there in our body, and whenever all these systems work together, they form an organism that is known as human body. And today we will discuss about the first topic, that is digestive system. Now, first of all, first topic is digestion in humans. As we know, all the organisms depend upon the food to survive and to take energy to do some work. So, whenever we take some food inside our body that produces energy, that energy we should utilize to do some work. And basically in human digestive system, two main things are there. First is alimentary canal, second is digestive glands. First, alimentary canal, that is also known as digestive tract. And in alimentary canal, so many systems are there, so many organs are there. First of all, first is mouth. This whole pipe from the mouth to the anus, that is known as alimentary canal, approximately 9 meters in length. First part is mouth, or known as buccal cavity. Mouth. Afterwards, esophagus. This is also known as food pipe. Food pipe join the mouth to the stomach. Third is stomach. After stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These are the parts of alimentary canal. External parts are also there, like salivary gland, pancreas and liver. These are also parts of digestive system. They produce some juices which help in digestion of food. And this whole process, digestion of food, whole process basically consists of these 5 steps. First step, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. Ingestion. Ingestion means intaking of food particles with the help of mouth. Second, digestion means breaking down of the food from the complex particles to the smaller particles. Third, absorption means whenever the food is digested, that digested food enter in our bloodstream. Assimilation means whenever the food is entering in bloodstream, it produces some energy to do some work. Last, egestion. Egestion means removal of the undigested food, means wastage. These are 5 steps which are included in the digestion of the food. First, now come to alimentary canal. Alimentary canal approximately 9 meters in length, and first part is buccal cavity. It includes mouth, tongue, teeth, Second food pipe, also known as esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. These are the steps of human digestive system, and these are the parts. Again, first, mouth, from which the food is entering in our body. Here are some glands, salivary glands, which produce some juices which help in proper chewing of food. After breaking down of the food particles goes to this pipe that is known as esophagus, and with the pressure of this pipe the food goes to stomach. In the stomach there are some also uses which help in proper digestion of food particles, and these food particles again goes to small intestine, and energy is produces. That energy goes to each and every part of the body, and after that it goes to large intestine, and the wastage of the undigested food get collected here in rectum. After this, the undigested food goes out of the body with the help of anus. Here are some digestive glands are also there: salivary glands, liver, pancreas. One small gland is also there, that is gallbladder, which also secretes some juices which help in the proper digestion of the food. Next, digestive glands: salivary gland, liver, and pancreas. This whole is our buccal cavity. It has some salivary glands, tongue, which also helps in proper digestion of the food, which helps to make the food very smooth and easy to digest. And these salivary glands also secrete saliva in our mouth, and which help to break the starch into the sugar and also help to moist the food. Second, liver. Liver also help in the proper digestion of the food. It secreted a juice that is known as bile juice. That also help in the proper digestion of the food, and this bile juice sometimes stored in the gallbladder. Last, pancreas. Pancreas present just below the stomach, and it also produces a juice that is known as pancreatic juice. That pancreatic juice break down the heavy food like junk food, means which are rich in carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It secreted pancreatic juice which help to digest the junk foods. These are three main digestive glands which help in proper digestion of the food. Now come to the parts of alimentary canal. First part, buccal cavity, means mouth. In our mouth, tongue is there, teeth, and teeth help in chewing the food properly, means it break down the food into smaller particles. Tongue produces saliva which helps to mix the food properly. After the proper mixing of the food goes to esophagus. Esophagus pass these food particles to the stomach. In the stomach there are some gastric juices: mucus, hydrochloric acid, and enzyme pepsin, which help to digest the food properly. Small intestine, it approximately 7.5 meters in length, and also secreted some juices, and it also receives some secretions from liver and pancreas, and also helps in proper digestion. Next, large intestine. Large intestine having three parts: colon, rectum, and anus. It also approximately 1.5 meters in length, and colon is a form of an inverted U. Rectum is also a part which stores the undigested food, and it passes the undigested food to the anus, and anus remove the undigested food from our body. Last, anus. It is an opening which present at the last of the human digestive system. This is all about the human digestive system. Two main parts: alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Here the process ingestion will occur, digestion, absorption, assimilation also, and egestion. This is all about the human digestive system. Up to this, thanks a lot.